Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to this new session. Today we are going to read 5th chapter. The name of the 5th chapter is Keyboard. What is the name of the 5th chapter? Keyboard. Now let's see. We as a human beings, what do we use to write? We use pencil or pen, right? How do we write? We use pen or pencil. But if we computer system, then how we will write? We use keyboard. Okay? We use keyboard to write on the screen of the computer. In the computer keyboard, there are a number of keys. The keys which helps us to type, to write on the screen. We can write our name, we can write number, we can write anything what we want. And we can use some special characters also. So let us see what are the keys. First is alphabet keys and next is number keys and next one is special keys. So let us see all these types of keys one by one. Alphabet keys. Children, do you know alphabets? That is A to Z, right? So in our keyboard, A to Z, A, B, C, D, that means alphabets are given so that we can write words, we can write letters. The alphabet keys are 26 in number. There are 26 alphabet keys, total A to Z 26. And number keys. What we do using number keys? There are two sets of number keys in the standard keyboard. Two sets. One set is above the alphabet keys and one set is in the right side of the alphabet keys. So there are total two sets of number keys on the keyboard. And how many keys are there in the number keys? There are 0 to 9, that is 10 keys. 1 to 10. But in keyboard we use single letters. We cannot write 10 from one key. We have to use two keys as a combination. So there are 0 to 9 keys on the number keys. And next one is special keys. Now let us see why we call all these keys as special keys. Because these keys perform some special functionality. These keys are used to perform some specific function such as space bar, enter key, backspace key, caps lock key. So now let us see one by one all these keys. First one is space bar. Space bar is the longest key in the last row of the keyboard. Here you can see in this keyboard the longest one which is in blue color, that is the space bar key, and we use this key to give spaces between words, letters and numbers. How we write in our notebook or in a whiteboard or anywhere when we write using pen or pencil, so after writing each word we used to give little bit of space, right? Same, to give that space in computer we use space bar keys. Now enter key. See, there are two enter keys on the keyboard. You can see here the keys which are in blue color. These are the enter keys, and enter key is usually found at the end of the middle row of alphabet key. You can see enter key is available. It is found in the right side of the alphabet keys, right? Now, why we use enter key? We use enter key to move the cursor to the next line. Suppose when we are writing in our notebook, if one line is filled, then we automatically go to next line, right? So in computer, if we are typed full one line, then for going to next line, we press enter key. What we press? We press enter key. Now backspace key. You can see here the backspace key which is available in the blue color. Backspace key is usually the last key in the row of numbers. You can see here the set of number keys which is available above the alphabet keys. In that row only backspace key is also there, right? So backspace key works like an eraser. Suppose whenever we are writing in our notebook and if we have done some mistakes, so what we do? We use an eraser to erase it, right? So in here computer screen, if we have typed some mistake, we have done some mistakes, so what we do? We press backspace key to erase that. Okay, and once we press this key, the letters which we have typed, it will be erased one by one. Okay, now next one is lock key. You can see caps lock key which is available in the blue color on this keyboard. Caps lock key is usually found in the beginning of the middle row of alphabet key. Where we found it? In the beginning of the middle row of alphabet keys, right? And now see, what is the use of caps lock key? Why we use caps lock key? We use this caps lock key to type something in capital letters. Suppose if we ask you to write your name in capital letters only, so you will use capital A, capital B, whatever your name is, you will write. Just like that, if we want to type letters in capitals in the computer, so we use caps lock key. Okay. See what we have learned today. We have learned that keyboard is an input device. What is an input device? See, the device through which we are giving something to the computer. We are giving some instruction to the computer. So, through keyboard, we used to give instruction to the computer that I want to write this. Computer, write it. Suppose I want to write my name. So I will ask computer to type my name and I will press the keys of my name or my spelling. Okay, so this keyboard will type my name on the screen. So we are giving some instruction to the computer to do this. So in this regard, computer's keyboard is an input device. We use computer's keyboard to type words and numbers, right? Why do we use computer keyboard? To type numbers and words. A computer has two set of number keys, right? A computer keyboard has two sets of number keys. And there are three types of keys: letters, that is alphabet keys, number keys, and special keys. Through special keys, we use to type some special characters. Okay, so children, today we have learned all this topic. Now you have to read this chapter in your IT book, that is computer education book, and we will discuss tomorrow in the class. Thank you.